see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
I would have some. I would. Oh, I live and play. I like play. Now what's that?
What's that? It's bread for Kuya TJ. Kuya. Can I say?
Mom.
Salamat po.
Mom.
Say salamat po.
Opo.
Salamat po.
Opo. Mom, why you cut this thing for your TJ? Mom.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mom. Mom, here.
What's that?
I'm gonna from school because I type out.
Yeah, just put it back there, please.
TJ, if you lost, when all your teeth come out, when all your teeth come out, then you won't have more teeth.
No, that's enough because that's for Kuya TJ's brain food. I'll get you one in a minute.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Say opo. This is Kuya TJ. Okay.
But what's the apple?
Oh, I'll put your apple.
Here. I wanna walk Cindy. What is that? Huh? Can you do it for me? Really tight. Please.
You don't want Teddy? Huh? Get the gel, please. So, ito yung lunch box nila for today. Ito yung tira na roast pork kagabi. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos may gravy sa loob. Ito kay Kuya TJ. Apple. Ayan. Coco Pop. Tapos yung fruit bar. And ito yung split sticks and fruit sticks. So, ayan kay Kuya. Then, ito yung kay Sak, pumuputok. Apple. Teddy. Then, yung mini scotch. And meron din siyang Coco Pop, fruit bar. Tapos, yung split sticks. And fruit sticks. So, dapat lunch order si Sak ngayon. Kasi, di ba, may tira pang roast pork. Tapos, ayan. Yan na lang daw ang lunch niya. Bukas na lang siya. Or sa Thursday na lang siya mag-lunch order. So, yan na yung lunch box ng mga bata.
Papa.
No, this is Kuya Sak. Give it to Kuya Sak. Ready, get set?
Go.
1, 2.
3.
Hindi ko sila pinalakad ngayon kasi sobrang init. And good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, what date today?
11.
11. So, today is December 11. And yes, naka-robe lang ako. Kasi, ida-drop off ko lang naman sila sa school. And then, andyan lang. Ang lapit lang. Kami ni Holly aalis. Ha?
Where is that?
Where is Dad?
Boat.
You know, working.
The boat.
Oh, it's in the boat. So, are you ready for your concert, Kuya?
Yeah.
What you gonna do? Are you gonna sing or dance? It's 2 o'clock, right?
I don't know.
So, you don't know. So, yeah, mayroon silang concert sa school. So, hindi sinasabi ni Kuya kung magsising or dance siya. Pero manunod kami. Then, si Zachary at 5 o'clock, 5:30, meron ulit sila yung art gallery, right, Zach? Art show.
Wait. No, is it tonight?
Yes, tonight. So, we're gonna have sausages at school. Who's that, Zach? Is that your
All in
classmate?
school today.
I love you.
I love you.
Listen and?
No.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
Listen and.
Listen.
Okay, you're going to school today. Nakalimutan ni Sak mag... Ha? Kiss daw, oh. Kiss daw, kuya. Kiss daw, kuya. Huwag mong kalimutan si Holly. Kiss daw. Say, see ya, kuya.
My face.
Your face.
Yeah, get more face. My face.
Okay, see ya.
See ya.
You take your medicine first.
My medicine, darling. I love you, darling.
Dalaga na siya.
I love you.
Okay, wait for mommy. Oops, excuse me. Okay. Okay, mommy, open. Are you ready? Wow! Tingnan niyo po siya, oh. Bit-bit niya yung shoulder bag ni mommy. Is this yours now? What's that? Mommy or Holly? Yours? Kaya naman po ulit siya ng gamot kasi hindi pa magaling yung kanyang sipon. Right, Baba? Say opo. Opo. Oh, careful. Good girl. Mommy, get your drink. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't. No. Come on. Drink. One more. Big one. Good girl! Okay, drink your water. Good girl ang baba ni mommy. Be careful. Oh, don't forget Ava. Where's Ava? Behind you. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, mommy's gonna drink mommy's drink as well. Careful, huh? You want your phone? No, you don't want? No, mommy will drink this. This one. Okay, let's go. Okay, go see daddy. Ready, get set? 1, 2. Ayan, kumakaway siya kay daddy niya. Bye-bye, daddy! Ayan, nakatulog na si Holly. Dito na kami sa parking lot ng Big W. Kunin ko lang yung bag kasi maglagay tayo ng lipstick. Sorry, Papa. Hi, Papa, we're here. Wait lang, okay? Where's Ava? Hi, Ava. Wait, Baba, okay? Mommy just gonna put lipstick. Nagpaos ako. Kasi ang putla ko, oh. Wala pa akong, wala ako kahit foundation. Hindi naman ako masyado nagpa-foundation. And yeah, moisturizer and sunscreen. Yun lang yung gamit natin. And nagkilay ako na hindi pantay. Pardon? Hinahanap niya inaangkin niya na yung bag. This is mommy. Okay, wait. Mommy just gonna put lipstick. Okay. Gusto niya yung bag. Okay. I give you my bag, Baba. Mommy just gonna get my lipstick and my ano to, yung cheek stain. Okay, I'll give you my bag. Inangkin niya na yung bag ni mommy, ah. Ayan na, sa kanya na yan. Maliit lang naman yan eh. Yung isa ko yan na Fendi na... Pardon? My phone? Why? Charging. Pati phone ba naman? So, yun. Inangkin na ng aking anak yung aking bag. So, yung bag na yan, matagal na yan sa akin. Ayan. Tik lang tayo, tsaka maglagay tayo ng cheek stain dito pa drunk blush. So, eto ulit yung gamit ko. Ito naman lagi eh. Yung bigay ni Pompal na Tarte. And eto yung Revlon na Ultra HD Matte na ang shade niya is addiction. So, addiction yung 610 addiction. So, mga nagtatanong, ito po siya, ang shade niya is HD addiction. So, maglagay lang tayo ng ganyan lang. Pak. And, nandito pala kami kasi, di ba dati, nung isang araw last week, pumunta kami ni Holly sa Kmart and Target. Then, hindi namin natapos kasi, di ba, may vaccination sila. So, hindi yun natapos. So, ngayon naman, dito kami sa Big W, magtingin ulit kami ng pang regalo sa mga, sa kanila. And, anong oras na? 11:51. I-alarm ko yung cellphone ko kasi yung mga bata, meron silang tawag nun si Kuya, may show siya today. Meron silang concert sa school. Ano yun? 2 o'clock. And then si Sak 5 o'clock, meron silang art show. So, ayan, may activities yung mga bata. So, kailangan kong mag-alarm para hindi ko makalimutan. So, for sure, madalian na naman tong Christmas shopping. So, pag hindi ko to natapos, balik ulit tayo. Kasi, hindi talaga makahanap ng oras na yung matagal. Kasi nga, syempre, busy yung mga bata. Kasi magbabakasyon na rin sila. Kaya sunod-sunod na yung mga activities nila sa school. Yung nga nagtatanong kung long-lasting ta, hindi ko masasabi kasi ginagamit ko lang na siya short time. Hindi ko na siya yung karang...
Mommy!
Yes.
Papa!
What did you do to my bag? Sana ka?
Look!
So ngayon, 11:51. So, hindi ka alam kung tumatagal naman siya, pero hindi siya yung talagang sobrang tagal. Okay lang. Sa akin okay lang kasi saglit lang naman ako umaalis, then bahay na. Tapos mamaya, i-retouch ko lang to pagpunta ko sa school. Diba? Yun lang. Tapos na. Ayun, sana hindi ako magutom. Ang ininom ko lang, eto lang. So, wala akong breakfast. Eto na yung breakfast and lunch ko kasi 11:54 na yung up and go ng Sanitarium, yung wheat bakes na strawberry flavor. So, alis na tayo. Punta na tayo dito sa Big W. Mainit siya, guys, dito. Pero paglabas mo, may hangin. Medyo malamig. So, ayan. Diba? Madali ang, transformation sa muka. Let's go, Holly. Dalaga na siya, oh. Huwag muna na. Here, Baba. Okay, if you wanna go shopping, get the cart. Push the cart. Okay, gusto mo mag-shopping, ha? Ha? Oh, yan, dito na kami. And si Holly umiiyak kasi ayaw niyang ibigay yung bag ko. Akin na yan, na. Ayaw niyang ibigay yung bag. Inangkin niya na talaga. You want? Look, who's this? Who's this, Papa? Who's that? Santa! So, yan, magtingin-tingin muna tayo and yung bitawan ang bag. Where you going? Shopping! Oh, careful! So, ayan, na muna tayo. Magtingin-tingin muna ako and yeah, tingnan natin kung ano mabibili natin dito.
Now, what is your son?
Wow!
What is your son?
What's that?
What is your son?
Gonna say?
Look at my milk.
Yes. What you gonna say?
Teacher, Mom.
You're welcome.
What is you? Mom, what is you?
Alala ko lang, nung pumunta kami ng Kmart ni Zach, yung kasama ko si Zach, sabi niya, gusto niya raw magkaroon ng ganitong undies. Yung parang boxer short ba to? So, yan. So, sige, bilahan ko siya kasi mura lang naman, $3 for $9. So, kurang ko sila ng kuya niya. Kasi ito talaga, tumatakbo siya. Sabi, Mommy, can I have this one? So, ngayon, kunan ko siya.
Where possible, use mechanical.
Nag-alarm na yung phone. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan na namin umalis. Yeah, sinet ko kasi yung phone na mag-alarm para... Yeah, you press para alam ko na time to go. Right, Papa? Say, opo.
I need milk.
Yeah.
I need milk.
Yeah. Magbabayad na po si Madam. Are you gonna pay? Ha? You pay? Siya raw magbayad. What? You gonna pay? Okay. Siya raw magpipay. Where's your money? How are you gonna pay?
Look at mine.
Where's your money? Look at here. Siya raw po magbabayad. Ayan. Oh, not that one. Not that one. This one. The blue one, Baba. This one. Akin na that yanta. This one. The blue one. You get it? You wait. Siya yung magbabayad. Put your wallet back in your bag. No, I don't. Okay, here, Baba. You're done?
There we go. 281.60.
Here? One. Yeah. Okay. Done. And wait, you're gonna get your card in a minute. Okay, remove your card. Remove your card. Good girl. Put in your wallet. Put in your wallet.
Put it on hold, PA.
Oh, here's your receipt, Baba. Oh, get your receipt.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mom, what does?
Huh?
What does?
Okay, put that in my bag now, please. Where's your bunny?
my milk?
Pardon?
Where's my milk?
Your what?
Where's my milk?
In there, wait.
What?
In there.
What?
Bahay na kami, pero palis ulit kami. Tapos na kami manood ng program ni Kuya. Papunta naman kami sa, where we going, Zach?
Christmas action.
Yan, punta naman kami sa school, sa Kindi. Para kay Zach naman. Kasi, this is your last day of school, right, Zach?
Kindi.
Kindi. Kindi, guys, hindi
No,
school.
why always
Kindi.
I still like Kindi?
Because Kindi is also learning. Go to school.
At Kindi, you just look about
Kasi iba naman daw, dinidefine nila yung yung school daw kasi ang Kindi kasi more on yung parang lalaro lang sila, tapos yung teacher yung nagbabasa ng mga books. Sa school naman sila Kuya ang gumagawa ng mga pagbabasa. Kaya sinasabi ni Zach, Mom, I'm not at school yet. I'm a Kindi boy. Right, Zachary?
No, I didn't tell me a school boy.
I said you told me you're a Kindi boy, you're not a school boy before.
I am, yeah. Some people tell me school boys.
Because next year, after Christmas, you are a school boy, Baba.
No, I would be in year 2.
Yeah, and Kuya will be year 2 next year. So, yun na. Ang haba-haba na. So, i-close lang namin yung vlog. So, say, please like. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe our channel.
Ayan si daddy niya kasi.
Gonna have sausage tonight.
Mauna lang kami kasi maliligo pa si Jan. Naabutan kami.
Wait, Dad, can you give me $2?
Yeah, I'll bring that.
And give it
Ayun
to
si
me
Daddy.
when I want solo.
Hala? Nice car daw. Siya, maliligo lang siya. And dadali niya yung SK na yan kasi dyan ilalagay yung mga drinks para sa Kindi. See ya!